How much does Acorn charge? Introduction. Have you ever been curious about the cost of Acorn? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the different Acorn subscription plans and figuring out how much you'll actually pay to use the service. What is Acorn? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of Acorn's pricing, let's take a quick look at what the service is all about. Acorn is a streaming service that offers a wide variety of British TV shows and movies. It's a great option for fans of British television, as well as anyone who wants to explore the best of British culture. Acorn subscription plans. Acorn offers 3 different subscription plans. Acorn TV, this is the basic plan, and it costs $5.99 per month. With Acorn TV, you'll have access to thousands of hours of British TV shows and movies. Acorn Premium, this plan costs $7.99 per month, and it includes all of the benefits of Acorn TV, plus ad-free streaming. Acorn Plus Amazon, this plan costs $9.99 per month, and it includes all of the benefits of Acorn Premium, plus access to Amazon Prime Video. Additional costs. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, there are a few other costs to consider when using Acorn. For example, you may need to pay for internet access if you don't already have it. You may also need to purchase a streaming device, such as a Roku or Fire TV stick, if you don't already have one. How much does Acorn cost? Here's a breakdown of the total cost of using Acorn, including the monthly subscription fee and other potential costs. Acorn TV, $5.99 per month. Acorn Premium, $7.99 per month. Acorn Plus Amazon, $9.99 per month. Internet access varies. Streaming device varies. Is Acorn worth it? Whether or not Acorn is worth the cost is a personal decision. However, if you're a fan of British TV shows and movies, then Acorn is definitely a service that you should consider. With its wide variety of content and affordable pricing, Acorn is a great value for the money. Conclusion. I hope this video has helped you to understand how much Acorn costs. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Additional tips. You can save money on your Acorn subscription by signing up for an annual plan. Acorn offers a free 7-day trial, so you can try out the service before you commit to a subscription. Acorn is available on a variety of devices, including smart TVs, streaming devices, and mobile devices. I hope this script is helpful.